it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And just quickly want to get things updated as we head into the 3-day weekend. Remember, markets are closed on Monday in celebration of Christmas. And as far as, like I said, going into the 3-day weekend, not a whole lot changed today. A very boring day. And by no means am I saying that in a bad way. When you just think about the context of the calendar and this, like I said, in the sense of many people weren't even around today with Christmas. So a slow day across the market. And same thing happened here. Sideways action, tight range. But as I've pointed out in other videos, you got to ask yourself kind of where is this tight range happening? Where is this quote unquote boring action happening? Well, it's happening up here, right? And previous times when price action, was occurring there or down there, obviously this area is higher than all those other places. And from the big picture of things, that's what you want. You want consolidations. You want, periods, the quote unquote boring periods. As long as each boring period keeps getting higher and higher than the previous boring period, then that's what uptrends are built on, and that's the name of the game. So, yeah, today, not the best by any stretch. However, overall, everything happened at the higher level. This green line here that I talked about in the past couple videos at $3.90, which is the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? As I've been saying, if the price can hold above 390, that would make the chart look very powerful. And the past 2 days, the price has done exactly that. Heck, today, the price technically didn't even go down and test it at all. So good to see that 390 is holding. In the event 390 doesn't hold, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined. You still do have the 50-period simple moving average right there, which is that purple line that you'd want to see act as support. And then for more so the bigger term scale right down there around 360. But 360 is kind of pointless to talk about right now given the price is doing such a good job of staying up above 390. But nonetheless, 360 is still that level of support. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing new here has changed. $4.15 is still that key overall area. So all in all, very boring day, but in a very good way. So it'll be interesting to see how this one unfolds next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas.